from the government side, the inside scoop that we are now picking up, we also put out the details of that meeting that is coming in as well, Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge and the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, were said to be present in this meeting, and they decided to raise the demand for a discussion on the electoral reforms, which would include special intensive revision of the electoral rolls as well. So let's play out on part of the opposition what they have on the agenda.
We want discussion on the SIR, which is an attack on democracy. We wanted a discussion on those vote chory things, which is where Election Commission has become an agent to the whole process itself. The whole process is only making people die now. BLOs are dying, suicides are happening, work pressure is in 12 states they are implementing this thing. Tamil Nadu is one of the states. Uttar Pradesh is one of the states where people are suffering in a big way. Then the Delhi blast is a very important internal issue. Internal security is an important issue. Delhi pollution is a very important thing. The country's capital is becoming the world's dangerous place to live.
देखिए, इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स के नाम के ऊपर जो लोकतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है, अगर लोकतंत्र नहीं बचेगा तो फिर पार्लियामेंट का मतलब क्या बचेगा? तो वो तो सबसे पहले है। इलेक्शन कमीशन को निरंकुश कर दिया है। इतनी निरंकुशता संविधान के अंदर तो हर चीज पे चेक एंड बैलेंस था। आपने तो इसको निरंकुश कर दिया। कोर्ट में भी नहीं जा सकते, कोई एफआईआर नहीं हो सकती, कोई काम नहीं हो सकता इनके अगेंस्ट। तो आपने कर क्या दिया इनके लिए?
Well, Nyamika, the government wants debates and discussion. The opposition wants disturbance and disruption. It just seems on part of the opposition that their agenda is clear too.
Well, yes, Amita, and this question was being raised to Pramod Tiwari, who had addressed the media after the Parliamentary Strategy Group meeting yesterday night, as this question was being asked to him that the government is ready to hold any kind of discussion, but the rules must be followed, to which Pramod Tiwari had mentioned that we want an immediate discussion upon the SIR. That is the only demand which the opposition party is continuously raising, and that is what we have seen from the very first day of a winter session of Parliament as well. Adjournment motion notices have already been given. In fact, it is also being planned that after the India bloc meeting, there is a possibility of a protest that can take place at the Parliament premises only, where they are going to raise this demand that the government of India must discuss the SIR as well as the deaths of the BLOs as soon as possible. In fact, Samajwadi Party and Trinamool Congress, both of these parties have clarified